Nola.
Yes, Mars.
Nola.
Yes, Mars.
Nola.
Yes, Mars.
It's because you can do a vicious, high-flying 360 slam dunk?
No, Mars.
Because he's taller than me?
No, Mars.
Because he's loved, adored, and worshipped by millions?
No, Mars.
No, then what is it?
It's because he's got the new Air Jordans, Mars.
Oh, Sweat. Oh, Sweat. Oh, Sweat. Mr. Nice, you gotta hook me up.
Please, baby, please, baby, please, baby, 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 please.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And I thought I would change the scenery up, man. I kind of we normally in this direction, man, and I just kind of did this number, man. Take in some of this natural light, and also just to give it a little spin, man, something different. I know it's kind of bright over here, man. Let me see if I can. No, let's not do that. But hey, man, today is Monday, the 29th, man. It's April 29th. And you know this upcoming weekend is at the 4th. I think it's on the 4th that these drop, man. So, of course, you already know what they are. I know there's quite a few videos there floating around, man. But I just got my pair early dirly, so I thought I would bring them to y'all, man. Let's see, these are the Air Jordan 4 Retro. Color scheme is black, fire red, cement gray. This is a size 10.5. Personal pair for the boy Pops. You know what it is, man. This is my first time actually seeing these in hand. I know I've seen all kind of videos on them and pictures, but wow. Wow. So I've wanted to own this shoe forever, man. I've never owned this shoe in any capacity, like not with the Jumpman on the back, not the OG with the original Nike branding. This is my first pair of cement or Bred 4s. Cement 4s is what they actually are called, I do believe. But yeah, this is my first pair, man. I like the 4s a lot. So I think the 3s are my favorite. I can't say that. The 1s are my favorite model. The 1s are my favorite Jordan silhouette. But behind that, man, it's a close race between the 3s and the 4s. I just like that low cut. I think you can wear it both ways. You can wear it like casually, and it's, you know, obviously a sportswear sneaker. So you can hoop in these guys, or you used to hoop in these guys. I don't know if the technology is good enough for these new school cats to hoop in, but your boy Pops can hoop in this guy. I won't be hooping in these though, just so you know. Just to go through this thing real quick, man. First off, the quality. The nubuck on this thing is premium, man. I really love the way it feels. It does have the old school Nike hang tag. I think that's a nice little detail to it. I'm not one of those guys that's gonna rock the hang tag on there, so this will be coming off. And also have, as standard with all the Jordan 4s, the upside down Air Jordan on the inside. Yeah, I mean, you got Nike Air on the insole. Yeah, you can see that guy right there, man. Natural lighting coming through, huh? I'm watching people walk by my by my house. Other than that, man, everything about it is pretty standard of a Jordan 4, man. It's got that same midsole that it always has. Paint looks great. Don't see any imperfections on this guy, which is awesome. Glue looks fantastic. I think I got myself a good pair, man. OG branding on the sole there. And let's check out the right shoe. Other than me getting a little bit of something, dust on it. Looks great. There was one little small splatter of glue there. I think I can clean that up pretty good. Let me give you a close-up of this shoe, man. This thing is dope. So it's really funny to me how people are saying that this shoe is the shoe of the year. They really, really, really can't wait to get this for. But where are those guys at? this super iconic shoe that I see everywhere, people say it was a brick. Like, what's going on with that? Like, what's the major difference between the Cement 3 and the Cement 4, man? Other than the elephant print. You know, obviously the silhouette of the shoe is different, but it's just questions, man. It's just questions. Like Common said, it's the questions, y'all. But I really do rock with this shoe. Like, I'll be rocking this one the same way I rock this one, man. I put this guy to feet. You see that it's got some wear on it. But the quality on this nubuck, man, I gotta admit, it is much better than the 3. It is much better than the 3. Other than that, man, y'all tell me if you're gonna be going after these, man. Hopefully you'll be able to get your pair, man. I know they're gonna be everywhere. I don't know the quantities. I've been hearing different stories and different things, man. If you remember the Bred toes, they said that the Bred toes were gonna be everywhere, which they were, but they were in limited quantities. That's what I've been hearing is gonna happen with these. So hopefully that's not the case, man, because I know it's a lot of people out there that really want this shoe. So y'all drop a comment, man. Let me know what you think about it, whether or not you're going for it, if you think it's the sneaker of the year. I personally don't think it's a sneaker of the year. Like, I think it's something that I really, really have to have in my collection. I'll probably double up on them just because it took so long to get this OG pair back that I might just want to keep one fresh and tucked away so later I can grab that guy. You know what I mean? So that's it, man. We got the Jordan 4 Bred in the building. All right. Early look at these guys, man. Like I said, they do drop this Saturday, the 4th of May, right before Cinco de Mayo. And hopefully, man, y'all are able to get y'all pair, man. That is it, man. Dad Cam Solo Dolo with the different angle. Holla.
Yo, Holmes, yo, Holmes, yo, Holmes. Mars Blackman chillin' with Air Jordan, who's been serving them hard jams all day with these thumping sneakers. Do you understand? These sneakers be housing across the country. Prende and every homeboy be bum rushing to get some. They're hype, cabiche, and I ain't frontin'. So if you're ill in the land to buy some, you'll be a tour. Am I making myself clear? New Air Jordans from Nike are here.